welcome back to my 5-episode series on how to tune your weapons better so that you can get a tactical edge on your opponent in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Today's topic, we will be going over DMRs, snipers, and shotguns. So, this build of a SAB-50 that I'm running right now currently has a 5-round mag, the FSS ST87 bolt, which is the fast rechamber bolt, the Schlenger match grip, which increases my ADS speeds, the XRK Spectre mod, which is just getting rid of the backstock, and the 9-inch tack barrel. This here is one of the worst sniper rifles slash DMRs you can ever use. This gun, while classified as a DMR, is actually a sniper rifle, as it shoots 308 Winchester, which is commonly known as 7.62x51, which is a sniper round. This gives you no tactical advantage in combat because you don't have any tactical zooms or anything to help you with your aim.
That one.
As we can see here, because of me not having a buttstock, I am unable to connect shots with the opponents at hand and have to swap out to my secondaries to be able to hit them. However, because bolt action rifles are much slower than self-loading rifles, I have a tactical disadvantage due to the fact that it is not able to shoot as quickly as, say, a semi-automatic or fully automatic rifle, as my opponents are using. So the loadout I'm using now is the SAB-50 with the FSS STB7 bolt, the Schlenger match grip, the XRK Spectre mod, aka the no stock, a 5-round mag, and the 9-inch barrel. Moving off of that DMR, we now head into an actual sniper rifle. Sniper rifles are commonly used at longer ranges, as it allows you to have precise shots on targets while not moving. As you could see there, as I was kind of slightly moving with my Signal 50, aka the GM6 Lynx, I was not able to connect my shots due to the fact that this sniper rifle is heavy. It shoots a 12.7 by 99 millimeter bullet, which is more commonly known as a 50 cal BMG. This rifle is mainly used for longer range engagements, as this round packs a serious punch upon impact.
Requesting recon at this time.
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.
This loadout for the Signal 50 or the GM6 Lynx uses the SA Finesse grip, the SO inline stock, the FSS OLE 5 laser, the Commando 4 grip, and high velocity ammunition. Through this part of the video, you can see me using this as if it were meant for close range combat. However, because it's not viable at this range, I switch over to my sidearm a lot more so that I can hopefully hit my shots really close, because that 10 times zoom that I get on my optic is very much so not meant for close range targets. So typically sniper rifles are more able at longer ranges because it uses a larger round that recoils a lot heavier but shoots much slower than any other firearm. So if we look at the SMG category compared to the sniper rifle category, I'm shooting a lot slower with this sniper rifle compared to the SMG because the parts in this machine are so much heavier that it helps to mitigate recoil, but at the cost of having a slow rechamber. And this is actually really popular in hunting as well, which is something that, from where I am at least in Hawaii, really affects our lahui, because this overarching theme of being able to go out and hunt is very, very, very common in Hawaii. And typically, I know a lot of my personal family members use sniper rifles chambered in 308 to hunt with, because it's a lot easier to drop an animal with it. And from personal experience too, hunting with something that's a little bit heavier and has a longer rechamber speed helps with your recoil mitigation, and also just overall helps your accuracy.
1-1 requesting recon at this
Going back to how hunting really affects our lahui, after the introduction of like firearms in Hawaii, it's always been a thing. We've always hunted for the wild goats, pigs, sheep that live here that were introduced to us slowly. The pigs were here from when the Hawaiians first moved here on our va'a, but after getting here and settling and the white folk coming, we slowly incorporated more goats and sheep into the mix. We also use shotguns for hunting, however, these are a little bit different. We use them in what's called bird hunting, where we use birdshot, which is a lot more lightweight and is able to hit a bird a lot easier in the air, as opposed to using what I'm using on this build right now, which are shotgun slugs. And further on in this video, Dragon's Breath rounds, aka the thing that sets stuff on fire.
optimal.
1 minute left.
Suboptimal.
Seconds remain. EKIA confirmed. Mission complete. Solid work.
Looking at this loadout now, it's the same loadout that I was showing previously, however, I swapped out the slug rounds, which are very good for actually turning the shotgun into a more accurate round firing gun instead of using pellets to hit your targets, into using magnesium pellets that burn at about 2000-ish Fahrenheit, producing that burn effect that you see. This currently is a war crime, but in the use of Call of Duty, it totally makes sense, as this game is not meant to really be taken seriously, but also has a lot of tactical advantages to actually teach tactics within a span of, video game enjoyers, such as myself. This is actually where I learned how to clear a house properly and how to communicate with squad members. The loadout I am using here is the Bryson 800 with the Demo X50 tactical pump, the FSS Watchman stock, a 21.5-inch Byron Shredder barrel, the Commander foregrip, and obviously Dragon's Breath rounds. Anyways, I hope this video has helped to shed some light on some loadout ideas you can have for tweaking a sniper rifle, shotgun, or DMR to your liking, as well as put a little insight into my Hawaiian Lahui and how we actually use these types of firearms in our hunting so that we can actually, hit what we're trying to hit. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
1-1 requesting recon at this time.
Copy. UAV is on confirmed. Still confirmed. 10 seconds. Point on clock.
Optimal.
All saber. Mission accomplished.